Okay, parallel lines and transversals. So we got two parallel lines right here, two lines that are never going to meet, transversal that's cutting them, and it's creating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles, and we need to know what x is. So if I need to solve for x, I need to know what the angle measure is worth. And I can do that by determining if it's the small or the big angle that we see. Because every single angle in here, remember there's 8 total angles, 4 of them are going to match up and the other 4 would all match up as well because the lines are parallel. This angle and this angle are the same. And so are this angle and this angle. Notice they're small. They're acute. Okay, so all 4 of those match up. I marked those in green. I'm going to use purple to mark my obtuse angles. This one and this one match up with this one and this one here. So because of that, if we know all 4 of these angles are the same, we know that this angle and this angle up here is 140. 140, 140, 140, 140. This is going to be whatever, 3x plus 16, 3x plus 16, 3x plus 16, 3x plus 16. Okay? Well, in order for me to solve this problem, I need to know what a green angle's value would be. What number is it worth? And one thing that you should know about 2 angles that make a straight line is that the total is a half circle. So we need to pick up whatever's left, 140 plus something extra, to make a total of a half circle, which is 180. 140 plus something, this is the something, okay, plus something equals 180. So we know that each of these smaller angles marked with green, those are all worth 40 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just write a 40, 40, 40, and 3x plus 16 would be the same as 40. So what we're going to do in algebra is we can create an equation. We could say 3x plus 16 equals 40. Now, what happens a lot of times on problems like this is teachers can ask 2 different questions. I could ask you, what's the value of x? Which means you need to solve it. Or I could say, what's the angle measure? In that case, just give 40. More often than not, in an algebra class, you're going to be asked to do some algebra. Write an equation out and inverse operate to solve. Minus 16, leaving me with 24. 24 is equal to 3x. 3 times x equals 24. Opposite of multiplying, divide. Divide. X equals 8. Now what we can do, just to double check and make sure we like everything we see, plug that 8 in for x and make sure it comes out to 40. What's 3 times 8? 24 plus 16 more equals 40. We got it. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.